Hello viewer, in this video tutorial we will make a different adjustment on that picture. Use the filter here. We will apply the filters on that side. Apply the sketch and we'll go with it and then try the different combination on the other side of the image. We are going to select for that purpose using the camera raw filter here. Wait for the combination generated. Apply the vibrance there. Saturation here. Make it done with it. So let's apply the paint over it.